The food hall is quite clear at opening, so if you want to take a picture, I suggest you do it at that time. This is especially true if you want to take a picture at the Frog Cafe's special seating. Seeing the house banners and the floating candles in person is so majestic. Let's take a break at the Backlot Cafe for lunch. Besides the prepared meals, they also have quick meals on the side for you to grab, like this Backlot bento. At the time, they also had Umbridge's afternoon tea. While we didn't get it this time, maybe we'll get it next time. Though we don't know what it'll be, as it's a rotating themed afternoon tea. It does look delicious though. It wasn't too busy when we were there at 11:30 in the morning, but it did get busier later in the day. There was still ample seating though, even when it did get crowded. If we did get the Umbridge's afternoon tea, we would have been sitting in this special area for it. It's open seating, and at the booth we sat at, there was even an electrical outlet for us to charge our phones with. We got the Gryffindor plate, which comes with roast beef, peas, Yorkshire pudding, fries, mushrooms, carrots, and au jus sauce. The other house plates come with different meat entrees and sides. The roast beef was juicy, had good seasoning, and the fat was pretty good too. I only wish it was served warmer. The mushrooms were served warm and were quite tasty and juicy. Fries were warm and nicely salted. Be sure to eat them quick before they get soggy. The carrots were soft but a little under-seasoned. The peas weren't mushy but unfortunately cold. The Yorkshire pudding was quite crunchy, but it could have been a little warmer. At the time we went, there was a special pink parfait inspired by Professor Umbridge. I must not tell lies, so I'll tell you what we thought about this parfait. You could say the top of the hat represents Umbridge's hat. Let's get to what's underneath her hat though, as it is melting. Heh, a melting witch. The whipped cream was light and fluffy. The meringue was perfectly light and crunchy. It had a creamy strawberry base with jelly. The strawberry sorbet was refreshing and tasty. Time to try Umbridge's hat. Her hat is very crispy and flaky. It had a nice buttery taste and not too sweet. The I must not tell lies was white chocolate and it was okay tasting. The macaron was strawberry flavored and it was quite tasty, although a little bit soggy since it had been sitting on top of the hat for a while. Of course, we had to get tasty pumpkin juice to go along with our meal. There was also a self-serve water station near the register. You can't leave the Backlot without getting some Butterbeer. It's just so enticing. Just look at that frosted looking short glass of Butterbeer. Beautiful, isn't it? I swear the Butterbeer foam had a bit of a cheesy flavor, which was quite surprising, like what you would get with cheese foam from boba drinks. Either way, it was still quite refreshing and tasty, a great way to end the Backlot tour. After you're done drinking your Butterbeer, you can take it to the Tankard wash on the side. Here there's a sink which you can use to wash your cup. Our last stop was the Frog Cafe to have a sweet treat. We ended up choosing this very cute Niffler cake and a Happy Birthday Harry cake. The top of the Happy Birthday Harry cake is made out of white chocolate. The bottom was a strawberry mousse, strawberry jam, and a cake bottom. It was a light and tasty sweet treat. The Niffler cake was made out of chocolate. It had a chocolate cream inside as well. The cake was a vanilla sponge cake. I believe its bill and feet were made out of apricots. It also had a hard chocolate cookie bottom. I like the cute addition of the gold chocolate coins. It is a Niffler after all. Hope you enjoyed touring with us at the Harry Potter Studio Tour in Tokyo. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Harry Potter adventures with us. Can't wait to explore the world of Harry Potter with you in the future.